Hey fellow riders, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Schuberth SC1 Standard, starting right now on MotoTravelUSA. So this is the Schuberth SC1 Standard for the Schuberth C4 modular helmet. It fits in the back here and here. I'm coming from a Sena 20S, which actually I've enjoyed and have gotten many years of use out of, and hope this is just as good, if not better. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This is kind of tough. Looks like I'm going to need scissors or a knife. Well, like many Schuberth products, this one comes in great packaging and is very Apple-like. So opening it up, here's a quick start guide. This is the unit battery. This is the unit itself. And wow, this thing is really light. This thing right here is an extractor tool for the unit to help get it out. And under the foam is a USB cable. And that's it. Very nicely packaged. So here are all the pieces you get in the box, and here is the Sena 20S just for comparison. Now one thing I'm unsure about is, with a 20S I use a portable USB charger to charge the unit during stops on long trips. I'll try to do the same thing with the helmet, but wonder if it's going to be a pain since the connection will be on the bottom of the helmet. Okay, without reading the directions, let's see how easy it is to put in this helmet. Does this go in here? Yep, nice and firm engagement. I feel confident about that. And the battery will go over here. So that's just a quick unboxing of the Schuberth SC1 Standard. I'm gonna charge this thing up and use it for a couple hundred miles, then I'll post a review of what I find out. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to see that review if you're interested. Thanks for watching Moto Travel USA. Now let's go explore.